What's up guys, welcome back to another Lunches with Liam video. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, my laptop broke and I recently got a new one. But in today's video, we're going to be doing a Nutella croissant roll. This will be one of the easiest recipes you'll be doing in your air fryer. We have our croissant rolls, our Nutella, your favorite air fryer oil, and your whipped cream, and to finish it off with some powdered sugar. Now it's time to open our dough, spread it on our parchment paper so it doesn't stick to the counter, and spread our Nutella. I just finished filling these with Nutella. You can also use cream cheese, fruit filling, or whatever you can think of. Now I'm going to preheat my Ninja Foodi air fryer to 330 degrees and spray them with my preferred oil, avocado oil. I like it with a scoop of ice cream. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and share.